Hi, Mommy Gray. Hi. Good morning, Mommy Gray. Bye. Naglilihi yata si Mommy Gray. Mommy Gray. Ayan, naglilihi yan guys kasi marami kaming most male cats is in the back and they're looking some love with Mommy Gray. So Mommy Gray now sooner they gonna make kittens in the backyard. I'm excited with Mommy Gray. Mommy Gray! Ayan. Siya yung queen dito. The queen is in the house. Mommy Gray! Yan. Yung hideout nila nasa likod. Yan yung mga bahay-bahay dyan. So, I'm just gonna share for them. Bye, Mommy Gray!